Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to learn a new chapter that is the lifelines of national economy. This chapter mainly discusses about the means of transport and also the communication methods and also the major ports of India and the major modes, the trade, the international trade and also the tourism. First of all, we are going to discuss about the means of transport. The means of transport can be divided into three categories. First one is land transport, second one is the water transport, and the third one is the air transport. The land transport include three types. First one the roadways, second one the railways, and the third one is the pipeline method. The water transport is also two ways. First one is the inland and the second one is the overseas. The air transport is also used in three types. First one is the domestic purpose, second one is for the international purpose and also for the public undertaking. First of all, we are going to discuss about the roadways. India has the largest network of roadways. The main features were it has low construction cost, it is easily transfers, it is negotiated with the high gradients of slopes, it is economical for short distances, and it provides door-to-door services. It has low loading and unloading costs. It acts as a feeder to other means of transport. Next, we are going to discuss about the railways. The railways is the principal mode of transportation of passengers and freight. The main features were it can be used in the multifarious activities. It is an integrating force. It accelerates the development. It is excellent for long distance. It can carry bulky and heavy freights or loads. Next one is the pipelines. It is the principal mode of transporting water, gas, and minerals in the form of slurry. The main features were it is high laying cost, low running cost. It reduces the transshipment delays, and the third one is its leakage can be easily detected. The waterways is the fourth one. It is the principal mode of transport since time immemorial. The main features were it is the cheapest means of transportation. It can carry heavy and bulky goods. It is fuel efficient and most economical. The last one is Airways. It is the fastest, comfortable, and prestigious mode of transport. Main features were it is best suited for difficult terrains. It provides domestic and international air services. It is nationalized in 1953. It operates private scheduled and non-scheduled services. It can also used for the offshore drilling operations. The classification of roads. We can see the sixth classification among roads. The golden quadrilateral roads, national highways, state highways, district roads, rural roads, and the last but not the least is the border roads. First of all, we are going to discuss about the golden quadrilateral. It is maintained by National Highway Authority of India. It connects with the metropolitan cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. Next is the National Highways. It is maintained by the Central Public Department, and it is the primary roads which is connecting with the major cities. Next is the State Highways. It is maintained by the Public Work Department, and it connects state capitals with the district headquarters. The fourth one is District Road. It is made by Sila Parishad, and it connects the district headquarters with the other places in the district. The fifth one is Rural Roads. It is maintained by Grama Panchayat, and it connects with the rural areas with the towns. The last, not the least one, is the border roads. It is maintained by the Border Roads Organization. It constructs and maintains roads in border areas for defense. Next, we are going to discuss about the pipeline network in India. The oil fields in Upper Assam to Kanpur through Guwahati, Barauni, and Allahabad were the pipeline network in India. Its branches were Barauni to Haldia through the Rajband, the Maurigram, Guwahati, and Sirguri. Next is the Salaya or Gujarat to Jalandhar through the Virangam, Madhura, Delhi, and Sonipat. The branches were Kayali, Chakshu, and other places. Next one is the Gujarat to UP from the Hazrat to Jagdishpur pipeline network. Its branches were Koda, the Shahjahanpur, the Barbarala, and other places in UP. Next, we are going to discuss about the waterways. The Ganga River between Allahabad and Haldia, the West Coast Canal in Kerala, and the specified stretches of river Brahmani along with the Madai River, the delta channels of Mahanadi and Brahmani rivers and East Coast Canal, and above all the Brahmaputra River between the Sadia and Dubri, and the specified stretches of Godavari and Krishna rivers were some of the main waterways. The major ports in India. The major ports in India were the Kandala Port, the Mumbai Port, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Marmagaon Port, New Mangalore Port, Kochi Port, Tuticorin Port, Chennai Port, Visakhapatnam Port, Paradip Port, Calcutta Port, and Haldia Port. Next, we are going to discuss about the communication. Here we can see two types of communication. First one is the personal communication, and the next one is the mass communication. The personal communication is through the letters and phone. The mass communication is through the television, newspaper, radio, press, films, etc. It provides entertainment and create awareness. Its programs were in national, regional, and in local languages. The Doordarshan is the national television channel of India, and it is including variety of programs. Next, we are going to analyze the class of mails. There are two types of mails, first class and second class. The first class includes the cards and envelopes. The second class includes the books, packets, the registered newspapers, etc. The mail channels. The main mail channels were the Rajdhani, the Metro, the Grain, the Business, and Bulk and Periodical. Next, we are going to analyze the trade. We can see two types of trade. First one is the local trade, and the second one is the international trade. The local trade is within the cities, towns, villages, and above all state level. The international trade is between two or more countries. It is mainly aiming the country's economic prosperity. The international trade and India. India has an excellent trade relation with the countries in the world. It imports petroleum and its products, the precious stones, gold, coke, machinery, fertilizers, etc. Likewise, it exports the agriculture and allied products, the ores, the minerals, the gems, and the jewelry. India emerged as the software giant. It earned huge foreign exchange. It holds considerable position in international trade. The tourism in India. The tourism has a considerable foreign exchange earnings. It developed on the basis of the international understanding. It promoted the national integration. It supported local handicrafts and cultural pursuits. New forms of tourism developed were the heritage tourism, the ecotourism, the adventure tourism, the medical tourism, cultural tourism, and business tourism. Now, our chapter is over. I hope all of you can grasp the main points from this chapter. I am thanking to all of you who patiently watched the whole video. Thank you. Thanks for all. Bye. Take care.